Yeah, good morning to everybody. This is Weirdo Talk Show worldwide. On a good morning, especially I want message with my both English and Edo language to this stupid boy Murphy Face. My people, Weirdo, I was especially to first of all let me talk to this stupid Murphy Face before I talk to my people where they in Germany. Murphy. This message I want to give to Murphy Face because I know myself. I know say me myself. I enter Germany. I know say if me know where you dey, inshallah me I know say I must feel. I'll beat you. I know say the eyes to needs to fight, but I will make sure I will face court. Murphy, we know say you don't die already. Sweat already kill you. You are dying silently now. People think you are living, but you are dead among the living. Murphy. You know your sister did Bologna where I did. And you know your sister don't ever talk everything about you to me. Your Rina, your party there, your mama, everything. I know they don't swear for you. Murphy, you still keep on. You still they do. After cause don't follow you. I know the cause don't follow you. You know say you don't die. You they find you go draw follow body. Murphy, I want to tell you. You don't they do. People they look you. They don't feel they talk to you. I blame those Edo people where they Germany, where they say they don't feel talk to you, they don't feel meet you, they don't feel catch you. But this na thing where not feel happen for that Europe country, where that Italy. The same Germany where don't say they don't fight, they say we don't fight for Europe. So far no carry object they do some the fight you face you go court. And we are even black people. You all the crimes, all the nonsense way they perform for Facebook. And they don't fit talk to you. Murphy, when you want to we wune, we even in metana, in the atana, yes, me to be me new year to in a lie. Me na re Germany, ime must bue. Me tell me you, where me and me where my a cut him and that's all. So if I make sure he way and we know we all many I do it, then when we get to the court, I will bring out your own evidence out in the law, in the court law. But our Nigeria wayward people, those useless, some of the Edo people living in Germany, when a man is constituting nuisance, and these people call themselves the Edo people, some of the stupid Edo union in Germany, I use this medium to call Sunana. Me, I use this medium to cause Edo, some of the useless Edo association in Germany. I use this medium to cause Suna. Because if you people are really fighting for Edo land, you are really called Edo Association of Germany. And when somebody is performing news and showing words, irrelevant words to your kingdom, what did you do? You people keep silent. You came out and say, Mama, you need to fight. When Omana away with no magba in the land, there are the way in the law, in the civilized world, you penalize when the people right, they will go to court. I belong to organization in Nigeria. There are people when they are misbehaving here, we do it. In Italy, then the law, they now use the law court of fire to terminate you on the social media. You people in Germany, you are calling yourself Edo Association. Edo Association, wamati kwake Murphy. Wamati kwake. And wani pianigo no wala luwe wa ni Germany. Wati binan wa mwe Germany Murphy Face no wa kwake. Anyway, you are soon of Italy. Who have get everywhere, and this is stupid. The wayward women and the way, in short, I call all of them wayward men and women in Germany. For to go crap Murphy. Those people living in Germany, I say I will move 10 people. The rest of them are wayward men and women. If we are not wayward, we need to fight on our kingdom and destroy that wayward useless Murphy. He's moving forward. He's still going, bringing that picture, bringing that nonsense, good for nothing. No condemn, no bija, no yonto, no rape, and Wamati Gwen Murphy Gwen, and you people keep, you are saying, Magbina, you people are stupid where they do association in Germany. Because you people are unable to fight for your kingdom. You are unable to fight for your father. You are unable to fight for your own kingdom, and you people are misbehaving there, saying, Germany will not the law. Time. Not be saying Germany with the year nonsense. Who now not quack Murphy Face. A Murphy no eti yotona mujeji. A Murphy no eti repoma. Na na kre a two pack na ati a Murphy. When a life now. The time has come. I ain't got tear born on a bog buene. That way, man a bog be. Ebo amwe bog buene we wune. You are now trying to scandalize the image of other people. See, condemning people who might wear. Am I need blame me? I may very measure with more meal where do it day where. Muffin forget that thing. We more meal where any we am your wife and I'm your like forget like. But I will do you the shit. I will the shit and we make the music. Then we go to court. But I will make sure over there. He can when even I am you now. Hey Murphy. Oh, when go low buggy, when get nothing, you when bug bue. Because every now don't talk when you are still throwing west, and for those of you watching Murphy face, for those of you watching Murphy face, watching the promoting his program. May God punish all of una where they watch Murphy the promoter. May God punish all of una where they watch and where they promote Murphy. Those of una where they Germany where call themselves Edo Association. We not fit quack Murphy face. Our egban waya. Why it check who Edo Association? Wo be association wa in why sim yourself right though. You wanna sim yourself though. I can wa quack Murphy face in eh. How I can na miegu wa gbe ne ogbe mi awari ne. Or can one Murphy face. You people, there is a legal way of clamping Murphy face. We have legal way of clamping Murphy face. You petition him, man. If you call yourself a registered Edo Association or Nigeria Association in Germany, even the state Murphy is based. Because anybody Nigeria living in the diaspora, living in a country, is under Nigeria Association. And any Edo organization, and if this man claim to be an Edo, and he claim to be in Nigeria, there are the legal way you will fight and fire the case, and to hold this way ransom. To hold this way ransom. But you people keep quiet. You say you are fighting for your father. When you are not fighting, you are licking pekus. The men there are licking pekus, and the women there are wayward, most of them nonsense people based in Germany. Nonsense people based in Germany. Nonsense people. You can't even go there and clap that nonsense stupid boy. People are taking, we are fighting for our kingdom. How are you people fighting for our kingdom? All this Edo Association where they Germany, eh? Una not be association. Una be Alaluwe association. Oh, what in one if you don't know where Edo Association were in. Why Edo Association until why am we Murphy facing it? Until was sim your secret donne. Until what been on a donne. Yeah. O secret the way what can they go and get you people Edo Association. You was here. Oh my was a few big Emmanuel why go? Why don't take away Edo Association? Hey Murphy, you know, you are very, very hopeless and useless. When we were wound already, Murphy. Where to be when many years to now move where to be menam de kunwe. Where he menam de kunwe. He quack when I are terrible no visual, I are visual because visual don't go make or give me a secret where una to visual una way best friend or ya bitch the Murphy man. You have shown what cannot buy now you will die a miserable death. Murphy, it's time we eat a grand on the my kenuje me you yadan ne ma wa kenuje genie the play noir me ma me video na viola than record. But can I measure? Yes, the law will know I'm defending my nation, I'm defending my culture. I am defending my culture. These are the ways for me to defend my culture, my mother's land, my father's land. So whatever I do to defend my culture, I will do it. But Murphy, mark it, you will die miserable then. You have started doing something irrelevant, keep on bringing people, scandalizing the name of our kingdom, and you will die miserable then. I want to tell you people who call yourself Edo Association in Germany, please, I want you to close that Edo Association. You are Legbere Association. If you are a Edo Association, all you have to do is to fight for your kingdom. You cannot see one refrat, one non-entity One idiot is scandalizing the word, the name the name you call yourself Edo Association, and you call that place you want to be proud of your association. Why can't you find someone that is scandalizing that association? He is scandalizing you people. You are practicing Edo Association. What Edo Association you people are in Germany? What kind of association are you? Both the men and women in Germany who call themselves Edo Association, you people are wayward people. I stand to resort you people. You people are wayward and useless until you fight the fight. Until I see you people go there and pick Murphy face. If not, don't come to say Edo Association. Because this thing involves we all Edos. We Benin, who's created Edo Association. If you really belong to Edo Association, the time has come for you to fight the battle. Murphy face his cup don't fill up. The time don't reach where we Edo, we call ourselves. We should map up a strategy and maybe quack this idiot. Maybe we take her, go by law. We go. So our people, if really you belong to Edo Association, you belong to any association that comes from Edo Kingdom, we want every one of us to join together to penalize it, to put Murphy where it belongs to. It don't reach where we take put him for where Murphy belongs to. We need to put Murphy to where it belongs to. Many women and men in Germany, they go, they strong nyash. Una no fit fight. Where are the dead women where they Germany? Where the Israel lekute where they Germany? Una no fit fight Murphy. No fit clap and una say women get power. Una to tell they do they fight una husband. The women need to fight the work now. The time don't come. Who here to have started now? Yes, we should make an organization and mobilize. We come, we take a letter, we can do it and conquer that. But yes, in a legal way, we will do it and we will succeed. We will succeed. We will succeed. Who's calling me? Who is calling me so? Who they come? Hello, I dey live. Hello, I dey live. I dey live. They fire Murphy. I dey live. They fire this bastard Murphy idiot.
Go check it.
Okay. They fire my bag. I dey live. I fire this boy first. Yes, Ogun Ogbera.
I want to follow you up for life.
Ogun Ogbera Murphy.
Ogun Ogbera Murphy.
Yes. 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 Ere we ya muna benu be mokoro eyu am ere mo fi wa ya muera ege. Wa gbe vi kanu to yen. Wa vi kan yere mo fi onisa wa vi kanu to yere mo fi onisa. E kanu to wa gbe vi oyo onisa. Ugu na ugu ni o ti ono o wa lo bi e de lo to yan bo wo ugu. Abe na ka mu ere ni e o this time e na mu e mo fi. Abe Edo Association ni Germany e Google ana ni owa ni ma ti mu e Murphy. Edo Association ni now I want to fire Edo Association in Germany. Hey, Edo Association my team with Murphy, they are bastard people in Germany. They are not Edo Association, they are Legboro Association. They are Lalu Association. Yeah, Edo Association. When you are Edo Association, you need to fight for your land. Okay. Yeah, we Edo Association and Lalu Association. Okay, now later. Why take Buwa Edo Alalu Association? Why you take Buwa Edo Association? Why my team we move face? Why take Buwa Edo Association? Why Germany? Why we Alalu Association ma in Germany the men? Why my team why we Edo Association? Alalu Association. All these Alalu Association in Germany. All these Alalu Association in Germany. Don't ever say you are Edo Association until una get Murphy. Now no so una be real Edo Association they fight with land. So wanila abe Alalu Edo ami piana di pere Germany Alalu e meti we anything wa meti mo bia buwa wa meti lo nwa ame gimaya mu ebo na wa ya kukugbe gimaya mu ebo na ogugwa wa amonu ye Edo yin ya Edo this thing Edo buwa ya gbina na Edo Egen wa eko wa ya gbina medo Wamaiti Binawa Lalu association. E can wag bin an edo, e mofi face, a ekena mwe. Ama mwe mofi face, Wamanaiti mwe, Ogun Belu, Wayani, form association, Wamanaiti mwe mofi face. Aba Lalu association. A movie face is doing something stupid, or of you no get igyo wa no wa, or we rubbish, or you we yan, of you no get iron, of you no get ya. Wani we do ni revo ni tegbo wa do association, Alalu association wa yam time you wa mana mwe movie ya we destroy the name of those Edo people, those people call themselves Edo association, and when they belong to Alalu association, they are unable to fight for their father's land, they are unable to fight for their mother's land, and they are there. They say they are afraid, and when they are alive, the same journey we can fight. You are telling people, you are deceiving the people in Edo that is Germany. You told Ogun Belwa. We're not registered in a legal way. You sue Murphy. In a legal way, sue Murphy. This now has been scared. The police will not take him to court and notice everything what Murphy is doing. They will not use it to fire him and stop him from that program. Now they pull on ourselves. Now they call ourselves Edo association. Aba Alalu association in Germany. Wamana mwe Murphy. Aba Alalu association. Wagawu wa mwebu wa mwebu wa prepare ne wa temi yane. Call invite you Edo. Who Edo Toshko is ready, volunteer to be present there. Yes. Wafaya report to the police. This man will riot in a legal way. We demonstrate. We want this boy down. We must go in a peaceful demonstration in a legal way. When we do that and go there, all the women will pack. We go there for that particular sitting. We are doing this thing because of one refrat, one non-native, one man who claims to be a Nigeria that is condemning the image of our land. But we want the German government to know to bring this boy down. We, the Edo Association, we are against what he's doing in choice way to our insulting way to our mothers and to our fatherland. The time has come that we Edo make a decision that we want the help of the government and the judiciary, that the judge, that to give us a legal to send permit us to carry out what we want to do. Watch out if Murphy will not be closed. Murphy program will be closed, but you people are not working. You said you are afraid to fight. Why can't you pass the legal way? But you people are sitting down promoting, extracting money from the association, leaking women books. Those the condemned people. Those people are enemies to their Edos. I will tell you people, you are enemy to their Edos. Until you do what I ask you to do. Follow the legal process. Follow legal process and you will do it. Nonsense people. You call yourself a Edo association. You can't do anything. Nonsense people. Eh? Abalalu association. Hello, he sent the money in the WhatsApp. Where is that? It's bad just here. Ya recharge express. It's your own phone where you are. Your mama phone. It's your. Phone where. Okay, we win. We pick a call. We make it, man. Umwe ringi to ige program. Umwe mina because a phone where it send a WhatsApp recharge any ababala no dey message ban. Because it's your one phone where ige program when the program let's see tune be where you are call anyone. Ah well when me na when we are call it he said the message when we are collected the money now. Ya send the ye mina no ya send the ye a phone message no it when the phone you ya finish even you na you send the go. Okay. When phone where you speak when you silent tire. When phone where you silent tire. When you so ya no baba no. Ya te the it then mo phone no man not te the code no. It dey go then mo phone no te no muda. Me te no be go na. Tiens, non, tiens. Me dit. Mona, wait. If you want to dial the number again. The first one, dial. Tiens, just okay. So, my people. Wetin I dey talk about so, and na because of this dead Murphy face. So those people call themselves Edo Association. Yedo tiene wezebo. Now to address you, now to your money, now call it the money, to the man. So wetin I dey talk most now. Waya no rage Germany no table wa Edo Association. Wa Edo Association. Wa aladu wa association wa in. Otun wa mwe Murphy face, wa mara mwe Murphy face in. I will condemn you people. I will look for all the picture of those people call themselves Edo Association in Germany to scandalize people, both the president and the women and the men. Who here to abstain to Simeon Seredo. Then when I start seeing, I ask Simeon Seredo na yaka fire one Edo Association in Germany until you people bring Murphy face down. Until you people bring Murphy face down. Here where the Edo Association. Until we see your Seredo. Oh, biani eti a few begi maya and wa mighty gun ma ewo bini gun. Okay. Oswe. When it time wa ni take bo Edo Association. Wa Edo Association. Alalu Association wa in. Erese na miege iwie do ya. No wa take be mu wa gbi na wa Simeon Seredo. Egese. One must die for one to live. During the struggle, during the fight for struggle for freedom, something must happen. You must persevere. So now, it's time one all Edo Association member in Germany have it in mind, and I want everybody know me any picture on Edo Association Germany niamu wa biogume ya avye ye wo me it get the reason they do my they ya wa avye ya avye ya la dia now until you bring them off face down. So okay. So that is what I want. All Edo Association in Germany. Again, why I bring them Murphy face down. Murphy face must go down. So Edo Association must join hands together to bring that boy down. Who are we Edo Association in? Who Simeon Seredo? Who binane everywhere? Or ma fi nu go everywhere? Or ye go from? Again, say na ya we. Na mieri ni makuo bokukugbe ni mayako we. I am warning you to Edo Association because we have a Pishian group in Mu, near we party, Edo Association, we have a menu yedo talk show presenter want to bring it out. It's Simeon Seredo, man. And if Edo Association was unable to fight this battle, then I will disgrace them. The people will know they are not Edo Association, rather Alaluwe Association. Bi I ni bumire wa ni yan Laluwe. Or say now where my Simeon Seredo. Yes, any time we are not here do what we are seeing so get to now. We are gbina, we are gbina na do. Iyege, alaluwe wa gele. Alaluwe, e ba mi a confirm you wa alaluwe. Because joy, we are gbina na wuwa. Joy, you must fight why gbina na wuwa. What take we do association? We are here do association. Tell me, how you fighting for your land? Or if you beg you, or if you beg you, where we were one more, or police are near retaliate, a police are let the police, then you tell the police, go in a legal way and tell the police, say, this man is insulting my father, this man is bringing shame to my land. How are you defending your country? You heard what the American president said. What did he say? He said, I will stand to defend my nation, whether come rain or sun, even though in pains, in joy, in tears, I will defend my country. He said, I will not let no man pour insult upon my country, the Americans. I will stand to defend. How are you defending the Edo land, the Benin Kingdom? Is it by you forming an association, by extracting, by sleeping with some of the women in the Edo Association there in Germany, and you are not defending the nation, you are not defending your kingdom? One refat, one nonetic, one idiot is throwing words to the kingdom. That one stupid boy bringing people pictures out because you want to scandalize your kingdom, and you people said you are afraid to carry out the battle. You are like the pastors in Nigeria who said, oh, let me vengeance for God. No, in the time of the Israelites, they went of war. They fight with the Muslims. That is why they were able to conquer. You cannot sit down and allow manna to come from God, that God will fight for. God doesn't fight for you. God will be with you when you are fighting. He will give you strength. You can't wait God to fight for you. Edo Association, the time has come for you to stand up and fight, or less Ogun go kill all of you now. It's time one. If we are back by Yagbini Pinana, no one of the face, one name Edo Association, Ogun Ogbeluwa o. Ọ̀nà atam wa na ọdún wa na because wa ma see me osere wa ma gbin na Edo wa ma destroy mo fi face already to agbene ozewu even though am ebo gbe ose ni wa ya mo fi face ladian ose abe wo bi ni wa ma gbin na Edo wa ma go bo by mo fi face na mo fi face now we work wa mo na ya gbina go in a legal way. There is a law of the land. When somebody is scandalizing you, you take that person to court. This person is pouring salt on my father. I'm charging this man to court. You will sell yourself organization. If you are an organization register, legal register in that gym, you have right to sue me face to court. Because the name you people are claiming to be, and that man is soaring that particular name, and you people are sleeping like a dog. Like a dog. You are sleeping like a dog. Snobbing. Licking, waiting for God to fight for you. God cannot fight for you. You fight for yourself. The time has come that we beneath in the diaspora to carry out this battle. We put it on our eye and fight this fight. And Murphy Face, we face the consequences. And those that are hating and abetting Murphy Face for his crime, for this nonsense Murphy Face is constituting a public nuisance. And these people that are hating Murphy Face, and they all will face the music at the appropriate time. Because when Murphy is being caught, the police will search through the phone. They will know the people that is contacting Murphy Face. We have a legal way of ironing issue. And you people are sitting down. Let's join hands together and work together to clamp this nonsense boy. We will clamp it. We can do it. You can do it. If we join hands together, we can do it. Let's go on war. If it's a peaceful demonstration, let's join hands together. You call yourself a demonstration. Say, yes, we have taken permission from the German government. We are going to the state of Mopin to mobilize, to display from the street that this boy, we need this boy back to Africa. This boy is condemning our land. Believe me, they will take a legal action. Why is this boy doing it? We go to court, then we get my face right down there. And you people are there sleeping like dog. But you are there licking bekus. The men, you are licking bekus. I don't blame some of these men. It's the problem of the bekus lickers. They have leaked for years. Because they have leaked bekus got documents. What is a lalo lalo? What my yen egg boy agbina simi oseredo? Undo ugo iya wa lalu egbene. Wani biani yo. Wani wonoro. Wani buwa wa ho wa kokobuli vandalize wa. You can't fight for your state. You are waiting. I love the Islamic. Then we always stand to defend their word, their culture. Then we stand to defend their rights. If it was Brafa, Murphy Face, they do all this one. Those people always see they don't clamp and too. Una dey here, una dey do zumbi or zumbi. Now that they do so, zumbi. So my people, we don't come talk now. If you people ready, we must join together to cram this useless wayward Murphy. So my people, make we join hands together to clamp Murphy. I can't pass this message. If we not join Uyedo, make we do this mission. We're going to kill off now. Wait also now be do association for Germany. Unless those we want join me fight the battle. If you refuse to join hand to defend your nation, to defend our kingdom, our ancestral race, now there's somebody is there. He's throwing waste to our own kingdom, bringing people picture and scandalizing the image of people of our kingdom. And you people are sleeping. Wake up from your slumber. Wake up from your slumber. Edo Association in Germany, please wake up from your slumber. I want you all know the stupid message you brought out last day. My until you are ladian. wa vio po kungbe ni makunko fire mo fi face wa mana wono na ni makoko fire mo fi face oguna me gbuwa gboguna ma ya gbuwa wa awon ameno gbelu wa mana gbe na lo tedo wa mana de ba ma sinu sere do na mi ere na mi ofure wo tedo oni ore awo wa mi ni wa o wa mi ni wa o because I am shedding tears on this issue. I'm feeling pains in me day in and day out when I see what is happening on social media and the stupid Edo Association is journeying and sleeping like a dog. They are not fighting for their own father's land, their mother's land. They are sleeping like a dog. But all they know is to lick bekus. They look pussy. They love licking pussy. You are there calling yourself Edo Association. What kind of Edo Association? Call yourself Alaluwe Association. Call yourself Alaluwe Association. Until you stand up to fight and defend your culture, your tradition, that makes you an Edo Association. That association needs to be reformed, and that is not Edo Association for your information. If you are Edo Association, you will fight. Fight to bring that boy down. That is why I love Italians, Nigeria based in Italy. If I'm misbehaving, nonsense thing now, I'm doing what is nonsense against our kingdom, forget, they don't clap me. This Italy, they don't, no. They don't clap, don't say no. It's kicking words to our, man. I give hands to all the Italian boys and men and women here. I believe in that. They don't care whether the Lord don't do something. They'll face the music. Una dey gem, una dey rake. When the Italian boys they fight, but when I say Italian, one can spend it. See una now, una we don't hold there. Now make us small up una leak die. And if we fight to defend una nation, now if we fight to bring peace to our kingdom. Now they call ourselves. So my people, okay. Una so this message now don't give una today. This is the only few message for today. I don't talk. This is phase 1 of what this message to Edo Association to try without that. We kill all of now. I don't talk. Child work for all of now. Wait to self now. All now join me to fight for the battle. Wanna take care. God bless those that will join me to fight for the freedom, to defend our land, to fight, to debament. Those of you know, debament si mi osere those are debawa. Oni ka agba wa gima ko bok be my ask mi osere to. Mara duena ofure ogwi maro. Ogwi mani vi do vi sike ke ni Maria je. Wa ya nyowe wa bye. Wa later nyowe wa later take be no mume na ya take nyowe. Wa take us wa ya no gun si mi osere to na. Take see you later. Me do de me kena de ko gia me. Wa take dem ni vie on ta ma me wa ti gbo na go. Wa take us ade ba wa ciao. See you later. Ciao.